2 days ago, I saw this still very small, but look at it now. It's huge. So I have to harvest it. Wow. I harvest. It's huge. Grabe. Oh, wow. This is another one. Zucchini. This is one of my zucchini harvests, and I'm gonna do some pickles. Pickled zucchini. I'm gonna thinly slice them. So here it is. I thinly slice them. And boy, they look so fresh. Yum. Now I'm gonna make the dressing to marinate them with. So here's the marinade. 1/4 regular vinegar, 1/4 water, 1/4 soy sauce, and then I put some chili. I think I put 2 cups of sugar, and then some pepper. And then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna mix it here. There you go. Let it marinate. Okay. Just mix, and put it on the fridge. Yes. Putting it on a zip like that, so it's gonna be easier to mix it and easier to put it in the fridge. So I'll marinate this maybe overnight, and we'll taste it tomorrow. Yum. I got this recipe from my co-auditor before, and we did it also that time, like during summertime, and I tell you, this is so refreshing. You guys should try it. We call it actually kilowin back home, but it's more like a pickled zucchini. It's so yummy.